Let us spill this already spilled juice. Guysini, can we talk about uthando nesithembu? I know this episode indlulile, but no man, something doesn't sit right with me. MaCele, njengoba ugirl azenza ngathi she cares and of which she does care. Mina I saw her by taking umntana kabani konje bani lo girl manishoni kasine how ngabona lapho ukuthi girl cares because she took care of umntana kasine and nje she is basically the mother to that child, right? No problem. But the problem comes when she goes to MaCele and asks for a car, and when asking for a car she's only asking for usine. Not in any statement did I hear her mentioning Umpilo. Why is she only mentioning usine when she's saying the girls? Doesn't Umpilo fall under the girls, or is there any underlying thing that we do not know that we need to know? Because I feel Uguti, because they're in a polygamy type of situation, when you speak for one child, you're speaking for all the children. So why did she only mention igama lagasne and not elagampilo? No, educate me. Let's discuss it. This is your girl. Please do like, share, and subscribe.